In this video, I'll show you how to use the automation in Airtable. Once you are on your Airtable account, the first step is to head over to a base. Now on the left-hand side, if you click on the expand sidebar, at the bottom, you'll be able to click on your workspaces. And from here, this will be the list of your workspace. So what you need to do is simply head over to the base that you want to work on. Let's say that this will be my employee workspace. Now, once you were on the base, as you can see, it will look exactly like this. In order for you to add automations, head over to the top, click on the second tab, which is automations. And once you have the automations, as you can see, the first step is to add a trigger. Now, within a trigger, we have here our suggested triggers, such as when a record matches a condition, when a form is submitted. On the left-hand side, you can browse the catalog, and this will be the suggested automations. Now, on the trigger section, to add a trigger, just simply click on the plus sign to add a trigger. From here, you can simply choose a trigger that you want to do, either from the integrations or within the suggested. So let's say when a form is submitted, and once you have a trigger, on the right-hand side, you can select a table. So let's say that this will be for the employees. And at the bottom, you can select a form. Now, once you have that, at the bottom, you can choose a record. And from here, you can choose to do a test step. So let's say on the prepare monthly sales report, it will automatically test, and as you can see, it will automatically review the test results. Now, once you have the trigger set up, the next step is to add an advanced or logic action. So from here, click on advanced, and at the bottom, you can add either a conditional logic, a repeating group, or at the bottom, you can do as simple as send an email, create a record update, find records, sort list, run a script, generate with AI. And at the bottom, you can also do integrations. So let's say when a form is submitted, we want to create a record. On the right-hand side, this will be the label of the record. Let's say submission. At the bottom, you want to choose a table for the submissions, let's say for the employees. And from here, you can choose a field. Let's say that from here, this will be the task. Now, within a task, you can also choose another field if that is something that you want to do. At the bottom, click on generate a preview. And once you do that, as you can see, it will automatically generate the preview and the test results are selected. You can also change an action on the three dots for more actions. At the bottom, click on delete. From here, you can add a new one. And let's say to send an email. On the right-hand side, you do have to configure the exact email that you have. And as simple as this, we already have an automation. So you want to play around with how you want the automation will look like, either when a form is submitted or you have your own integrations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.